question is a problem that came up recently out of nowhere. I used to enjoy free time so much. I look forward to it. In fact, but now I feel so guilty and there's so much pressure in free time. I always feel like I should be working on something instead of relaxation time I get. I do not like this feeling, and I was wondering if anyone else experiences this and ways to cope. So this kind of tailors into the first question. What I want you to realize is that, again, social media is nothing but a facade. Social media is nothing but a lie. Social media has made it seem that everybody is on the go. Everybody's doing something. Everybody's living their life. Everyone's making money, when that is not true. We have to break down the mold of what social media is, because social media is what 99% of people are addicted to. Social media is probably the most addicting drug on the planet, because again, it's going to feed you lies and it's going to make you feel worse about yourself. When I flick on my phone, when I turn on Instagram, Snapchat, all I see are people who are on the go, making money, out with their friends, they're partying, they're smiling, they're laughing. So what would that make somebody do? That would make them feel bad about themselves because they're not doing anything with their life. That's what it'll make you think. But on the flip side, everybody has idle time. Everybody has idle time. Not everybody is doing everything at once. Again, social media has made it that if you're not in your early 20s, if you're not into crypto, if you're not graduated college, if you're not moving out, you're not doing anything with your life. And I want to tell you that that is a lie. Stop letting social media degrade your self-worth. Stop giving it the power to affect your life on a daily basis. I want you to break free from social media, and I want you to stop telling yourself, stop looking up to these people who do not care about you. And I want you to understand and realize that you are more powerful than you think. I want you to understand that what you're seeing on social media is nothing but a facade. It's nothing but a blanket covering over a table of most people's insecurities. Most people are only doing it for the vanity. Most people are only on social media for the vanity. If you took away likes, monetization, I guarantee you, most of these people would not even be on social media, because they're doing it for all the vanity metrics. They're not doing it because they really care. They want to get the money. They want to get the likes. They want to get that dopamine hit. So, and this is what I tell everybody, is that you deserve calmness. You deserve peace of mind. You deserve relaxation. You deserve all of that. So never take relaxation for granted. Never take time that you have nothing. Never take idle time for granted. That's a time where you could practice mindfulness, slow your day down, ask yourself the vital questions that will improve your mental health. Don't always think you need to go on your phone whenever you have idle time. You always need to check, refresh Instagram, TikTok, and all that. Do realize that there's a blessing in idle time. Whenever next time you have idle time, do not take out your phone. Start asking yourself questions like, how am I really doing today? Am I doing okay? Ask yourself those questions. And once you start asking yourself those questions, that's how you truly get to know yourself. But I'm telling you, I want to break my phone sometimes, because the amount of times that I've heard people say that they're not doing well, they're not doing anything with their life because they're addicted to social media. You can, as I said before in the previous question, you can achieve anything you want. You have to put this down. Because what you've let social media warp your mind into thinking that free time, which is something that everybody has, is bad. Stop. You have to turn off social media if you want to be happy, because it's not rooting for you. The algorithm is not rooting for you. And you just have to learn. Everybody needs to learn to stop consuming for 1 second. Everywhere you go, everywhere you see, people are consuming either content, music, they're on their phone. They're just consuming content. Whenever they have idle time, what do they always go to? Their phone, consuming. What do they go on the TV? They're binge watching TV. And you're never alone with yourself, because most people cannot handle being alone with themselves. The reason why a lot of people are binge watching TV on their phone 24/7 is because when they turn the phone off, they cannot come to grips with themselves. They are not solid within their foundation. So they're constantly on their phone. They are constantly consuming content and they are running away from their life and they do not even know it. Let me turn off your phone and let me see how you are for 30 minutes uninterrupted. Most people can't do that, especially this new generation. I know every generation has their vices and their problems, but what I see here is that you're constantly consuming content at a dangerous rate that when you turn your phone off, you can't even go to sleep without your phone. You can't shower without your phone. You can't even go to the bathroom without your phone. Why are we letting this run our lives? Why are we letting technology run our lives? It's a tool. It's an amazing tool, but you're not even using it right. So what I want you to do is I want you to stop consuming just for 1 second. I want you to sit back and I want you just to practice mindfulness. I want you to actually get to know you for you. Social media has robbed people of getting to know themselves for their true, authentic personality, for whoever you are. And once you start doing that, you realize that you have a beautiful soul. You have the potential to do anything in the world. But your phone is going to get in your way every single time. I want you to turn it off. I want you to, when you're free time, I want you to practice mindfulness. I want you just to meditate for a couple minutes a day. Everybody has idle time, but they let their phone take over their idle time. And what is that doing? Filling your brain up with negativity and garbage. That just is what it is. If you can tell me, name something that you've learned on your phone the last day, last week, then what were you really looking at? Memes? Just random videos? Following other people's lives? I want you to turn off your phone. I want you to chase your own life. Stop chasing other people's lives on social media and actually start to chase yours. And another thing is that the most powerful thing, we want to feel like a king, a president, whoever, like the leader of the world. I want you to sit down and I want you just to sit in your thoughts and you'll realize, you'll start to feel a wave of calmness, and you'll start to feel like how a king would feel sitting on his throne. Call meditation. I got this from Elliot Hall. So you call it meditation. What did he call it? Crowning. He called it crowning. So you want to feel like a king? Go out there and meditate and just watch your thoughts and you'll start to feel more powerful. That's a tip I got for you as well. But until you come to grips with how deadly social media can be for your mental health and watching other people's lives, I want you to turn off your phone.